Next, I'm going to discuss about the try and method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that coincides. So at here I have taken 7 integer variable. Hereafter control comes to printf function. So whatever interval code that display into the output screen enter number, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n. So here I use a scanf function percentage because n is integer type. So first variable is n. Here I'm going to enter n value 5, and hereafter printf function again. So this are displayed into the output screen. I value start from 0. This is I, and that is start from 0. Here that check the condition 0 less than 5, condition is true, that coincides. So at here scanf function. So let's enter a double r 0% new element. So this is a double r. So at here this is a 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a double r 0%, let's enter elements. So I'm going to enter 7. Hereafter I increase I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 5, condition is 2, so that coincides. So let's enter a double r 1% new element. So here I am going to enter 1% 12. Hereafter I increase the I is 2 now. Or check the condition 2 less than 5, condition is 2, so let's enter a double r 2% new element. So I am going to enter 9. Hereafter I increase the I is 3 now. Or check the condition 3 less than 5, condition is true, so let's enter a double r 3% new element. So I am going to enter 13. Hereafter I increase I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 5, condition is true, so let's enter a double 4% new element. So here I am going to enter 6. Now I increase I is by 5 now. Or check the condition 5 less than 5, condition is not true, not coincide. Here control comes to this point. So at here I value start from 0. That check the condition 0 less than 5, condition is true, so that coincides. So at here j value start from 0 again. So at here j that start from 0, or here that check the condition j less than equal to n minus I minus 1. So n value is 5, I value is 0, 5 minus 0, 5, and 5 minus 1, 4. So at here 0 less than 4, condition is true, that coincides. So at here a double r j value is 0 greater than a double r 0 plus 1, 1. So a double r 0% greater than a double r 1. So 7 greater than 12, condition is not true, so that not coincide. Here after that go up, increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. Now hereafter check the condition 1 less than 4, condition is true, that coincides. At here check a double r 1% greater than a double r 2. So 1% 12 and 2% 9. 12 greater than 9. The condition is true, that coincides. So at here comes to this point here. Temp, one more variable. I've taken temp. So at here a double r j. So j value is now 1. A double r 1% value go to temp. So 1% 12 is there. 12 go to temp. Now hereafter a double r or 2 value go to a double r 1. So 2 value is now 9. 9 go to a double r 1. So here this value go to 1%, and hereafter temp value go to a double r 1 plus 1 2. So temp value is now 12. 12 comes to a double r 2. So here 12 come. So here new array elements are, this is a 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 7. Here 9 come, and this point 2%, 12, 13, and 6. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. That check the condition 2 less than 4, condition is 2, that coincides. So at 8 over 2% greater than 8 over 2 plus 1, 3. So 2% is 12 and 3% 13. 12 greater than 13, condition is not true. So that not coincide. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 4, condition is 2, that coincides. So at either 8 over 3 position greater than 8 over 4. And here temp, so 8 over greater than 4. So 8 over 3 position 13, 13 greater than 6, condition is 2, that coincide. So at your 8 over 3 position value go to temp. So 3 position 13, 13 go to temp. Hereafter 8 over 4 position value go to 8 over 3. 6 comes to this point. And hereafter temp value go to 8 over 4. So at here 4 come. Here temp value go to 8 over 4. So temp value is now 13. 13 go to 8 over 4. So new array elements are, this is a 7, 9, 12. Here comes 6. Next 13. So this is a 0 index. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 4 now. That check the condition, for less than 4 condition is not true. So that not coincide. So hereafter that go up and increase the value of I. So I is now 1. So right here check the condition 1 less than in value 5. Condition is 2, that coincide, j value start from 0 again. At here check the condition 5 minus I. I value is 1. So 5 minus 1, the value come 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So check at here 0 less than 3, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here 8 over 0% greater than 8 over 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So 7 greater than 9 here, or 7 greater than 9, condition is not true, that not coincide. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of j. So j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3, condition is 2, so that coincide. So at here 8 over 1% greater than 8 over 2. So 1% 9 greater 12, 2%. So 9 greater than 12, condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter j increase. So j is not 2. Check the condition 2 less than 3, condition is 2, that coincides. So at 8 over 2% greater than 8 over 3. So 2% is 12, 3% is 6. 12 greater than 6, condition is 2. So that coincide. Here temp. So 8 over 2% value go to temp. So 2% is 12, 12 go to temp. And hereafter 8 over 2 plus 1, 3% value go to 8 over 2. So 6 comes to this point. And temp value go to 8 over 3. So at here 12 come. So now new array elements are, this is a 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 7, 9, here comes 6, here 12, and there 13. So here after that curve increase the value of j. So j is now 3. Or that check the condition 3 less than 3, condition is not true. So not coincide. Here after that curve increase the value of I. So I is now 2. So at here check the condition 2 less than 5, condition is true, that coincides. So at here j value start from 0 again. And check the condition here 5 minus 2 minus 1. This value 2. So at here 0 less than 2, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here 8 over 0% greater than 8 over 1. 7 greater than 9, condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter j increase, so j is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 2, condition is true, that coincides. So at here 8 over 1% greater than 8 over 2. So 1% 9, 2% 6. 9 greater than 6, condition is true. So that coincide. So at here 8 over r, j value is now 1. So 1% value go to temp. So temp is now 9. And hereafter a develop 2.7 value equal to a develop 1. So 2% is 6, 6 moves to a develop 1. And temp value go to a develop 2. So temp value is now 9, 9 go to 2. So here 9 come. Now hereafter that curve increase the value of j. So j is now uh, 1 to 2. So that check the condition 2 less than 2 condition is not true. So that not coincide. So write your new array elements are. So this is a 7 here, 6, 9, 12 and 13. So hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 5 condition is true. That coincides. So here j value start from 0 again. Or check the condition 0 less than n. N value is now 5. I value is 3. 5 minus 3 the value come to 2 minus 1 1. So at 1. So 0 less than 1 condition is true. That coincides. So at 8 or 0% greater than 8 or 1. So this is 0 index 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 or 0% greater than 8 or 1. 0% is 7, 1% 6. 7 greater than 6 condition is true. 7 greater than 6. So hereafter that coincides right here 8 or j. So j value is now or j value start from 0. So 0% value go to temp. So 7 go to temp. So here 7 come. And here 8 over 0 plus 1. 1% value go to 8 over 0. So 1% is 6. 6 moves to there. Here after time value go to 8 over 1. So this position 7 come. And here after that curve increase the value of j. J is 1 now. Or check the condition 1 less than this value and so on. So 1 less than 1 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase, so I is 4 now. Or check the condition 4 less than 5 condition is true. So at here that coincides. So at here j value start from 0. And here 5 minus 4 minus 1. So this value is 0 now. So j value is 0, 0 less than 0 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter I increase, so I is now 5. So 5 less than 5 condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. So at here, oh, this is sorted elements. This is a 0 index. 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4. So here, sorted elements are 6, 7, 9, 12. 6, 7, 9, 12, and in last 13. So right here, control comes to this point, printf function. So this are displayed to the output screen. I value start from 0. So right here, this is I. So I value start from 0. And here check the condition n value 5 I have given. So 0 less than 5 condition is true, that coincides. So printf function Percentage because this is integer type. So printf function so that or display a 0% value. So 6 or display hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Or check the condition 1 less than 5 condition is 2 that coincides right here that display a 1% value. 7 display hereafter I increase I is 2 now. Or check the condition 2 less than 5 condition is true that coincides right here that display 2% value. So 9 display hereafter I is now 3. Or check the condition 3 less than 5 condition is true that coincides right here that display 3% value. 12 display hereafter I increase I is 4 now. So that check the condition 4 less than 5 condition is true that display 4% value. So 13 display hereafter I increase so I is now 5. That check the condition 5 less than 5 condition is not true not coincide hereafter control comes to this point. So at here that display into the output screen enter the number to find and whatever I'm going to enter so that received by Fn. So at here this is Fn. So I'm going to search 12. Fn value I enter 12. So at here A value so that initialize to 0. B value or C value n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 C is now 4. Hereafter B equal to A plus C by 2. So 0 plus 4 by 2 or B by B is 2. Hereafter control comes to while loop. So at Fn not equal to A double or B. So B value is 2. So Fn not equal to A double or 2%. So 12 not equal to 9 condition is true. So this condition is true. And here AND operator A less than equal to C. So A value is 0, C value is 4. So 0 less than equal to 4. This condition also true. So if both condition is true, so that coincide. Here if Fn greater than A double or B. So Fn value is 12 and A double or 2% 9. 12 greater than 9 condition is true that coincides. So at here A equal to B plus 1. So B value is now 2 and 2 plus 1. So A become 3. So if condition is true, so that not go to else part here. B equal to A plus C by 2. So A plus C. So 4 plus 3. 7. 7 by 2. B is now 3. So here after that go up. Oh, that check the condition Fn not equal to A double or B. So B value is now 3. So Fn value is 12 and A double 3% 12. 12 not equal to 12 condition is not true, so this condition is false. And here A less than equal to C, so A value is 3 and C value is 4. 3 less than 4 condition is true. So if you are using AND operator, if any condition is false then all resultant come false. So false and true the value come false. So since condition is false, so that not go to this part, hereafter control comes to this point. So if Fn not equal Fn w equal to A double of B. So Fn value is 12 and A double 3%, B value is 3. Here also 12. So 12 equal to 12, the condition is true. So that comes to printf function. So this percentage is for Fn and this percentage is for B plus 1. So the output come 12 found at 3 position. 3 plus 1, 4 position. B value is 3, 3 plus 1, 4%. So the output come or 12 found at 4%. And hereafter that out from main function. So this time I search Fn value 12. So you should try to enter Fn value 6, 7, 9, 13 and you will get the expected output if you do the trial method like this way. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.